Hello. Hello, Kalmar stand. The show goes on in 1 minute. Gather around here in the corner. Christopher Saavedra will tell us about terminal design services. Here, here. Kalmar stand in 1 minute.
So hello guys. Well, let's go ahead. So the topic for today is the CO2 Reduction Roadmap to support you on the eco-efficiency journey and how can you achieve your operational, financial, and environmental targets. So now let's take a look into this really cool video you can see over here. This is an intermodal operated with an autostrad. As you may see, autostrad are handling all the cargo from the intermodal, operating not only with RMGs, but also serving the trucks. As you may see over here, the autostrad is doing all the pickup and landing of container from trucks automatically. The interesting part over here is how can you achieve this fully automated operation, especially if you are currently a brownfield site. And the main challenge over here is human-machine segregation. You may see over here, most interaction with people or human are fenced, so you can keep automated machines on a specific area in your site. What you're currently watching over here is the fast charge machine charging within an operational cycle. And especially over here, you can see also how the autostrad can easily interact with people, especially from a maintenance point of view. In case there is an exception handling, the operator over here will be able to handle that exception. So basically what I want to show with you over here is 5 main takeaways or 5 steps that you can implement now in this CO2 reduction roadmap. So the first step is first understand the way of working. And that's really critical for your terminal. In this stage, our team, myself, can support you. But the first step is to really understand how are you currently operating, what are your KPIs, understand which type of equipment, how can you retrofit that equipment, and basically if you need to buy a new piece of equipment. The step 2 is that together with our team, we will be able to present different operational scenarios that will match your KPIs from a financial, operational, and environmental point of view. Again, it's quite critical over here to also assess the people and skills needed for this type of solution. Then we will reach the interesting part over here, so the financial aspect. And here is when our team, together with the customer, will put out together the numbers. And especially if we are talking about fully electric equipment, we need to answer a lot of questions, and we need to make sure we got the capabilities and the element in place to enable this type of solutions. Once we got these 3 steps ready, then we can go into how can we deploy actually that solution. So here we will take a step-by-step approach, never a big bang approach, especially if we are talking about the brownfield side. And then we will present an implementation plan. Finally, Once we have implemented this solution, then we can try different options to even improve. As I told you, this is totally a continuous improvement cycle over here. So basically, we can also support you training your guys, training the services technician, training the drivers, if we are talking about the conventional terminal, or also taking a look into outsourcing possibilities. This is a really interesting case over here. So we got an existing setup, a brownfield site with 55 diesel straddle carriers, 24 hybrid straddle carriers, an average operating hour of 4,000 hours yearly. And basically, this is the current carbon emission footprint for the terminal. And this customer got a target to reduce 20% in the next 10 years. So together with the customer, we presented two scenarios over here. One, where you can see that we increase the amount of hybrid straddle carriers, and the scenario number two, basically, we take a look into a full electric straddle carriers, as you may see over here. But at the end, this is only from the equipment point of view. And yes, even though scenario number two can reach even a 30% reduction, when we were discussing together with the customer, from the business case point of view, scenario number two was really far, far away. So from a business point of view, scenario number one was the one chosen based on the current technology the customer can deploy these days. Again, it's all about matching the operational impact, the environmental impact, and the financial impact of the solution. The summary is quite straightforward over here. How can you get started? So basically, as I told you, understand the way of working. There is no way you can copy-paste your competitor solution over here. You need to align, you need to understand your way of working and establish your operational, financial, and environmental KPIs. You need to make sure data is properly collected and shared within the team working for this type of projects. So you need really to analyze your option, identify the operational, environmental, and financial impact of those. We are more than happy to support you on this journey, and you are welcome to come and talk to us about this solution.